Stop! Guess who we're drawing today? Get your markers ready. It's Bluey! Let's start our fun drawing adventure.
Pick up your pencil nice and slow. Let's draw a line and let it grow. A little circle, a gentle curve. You've got the hand, you've got the nerve. Let's start the sketch, it's easy to do. Step by step we'll guide you through. Shapes and lines in every part. Watch your picture start to spark. A line goes here, a dot goes there. Add some ears or fluffy hair.
Yay! Our drawing is ready! But wait, what's missing? Color time! Let's make Bluey bright and happy.
Red spins wild with a fiery sway. Blue dives deep in a tranquil bay. Yellow jumps with a sunny grin. Green whispers soft where life begins. Colors collide in a dance so bright. Pain and joy under the neon light. Every hue in harmony song. Together they're where we all belong. Purple waltzes with the royal flair. Orange leaps through the electric air. Pink skips lightly with the giggle sweet. Brown keeps the rhythm with an earthly beat. Colors collide in a dance so bright. Pain and joy under the neon light. Every hue in harmony song. Together they're where we all belong. They blend and twirl with endless zeal. Splashing laughter we can see and feel. No rules, no borders, they just flow. A kaleidoscope in a vibrant glow. Colors collide in a dance so bright. Pain and joy under the neon light. Every hue in harmony song. Together they're where we all belong. Grab the crayons, the world's your stage. Turn the blank into a bursting page. Splash the sky with a golden hue. Every stroke's a dream come true. Color the stars, make the night shine bright. Paint the clouds in a dance of light. Every picture's magic, every shade a spark. Turning the day into art after dark. Da-da-da-da,
Wow, the colors look amazing! Let's add some magic. Glitter time! Make it sparkle!
It's glitter time, shake it slow. Sprinkle it gently, let it glow. Silver, gold, or watch it glow. It's glitter time. Go, go, go. Add some glue and tap a bit. Watch how every sparkle fits on the stars or bunny's tail. A little shimmer never fails. Glitter time, sparkle and gleam, shiny and bright like a magical dream. Stick it, shake it, watch it glow. It's glitter time. Go, go, go. Don't need much to light up the page. Just a pinch of sparkle is all the rage. Be creative, let it shine. Your glittery art looks so divine.
Our Bluey looks awesome! Like the video and subscribe to Boo Boo Art TV. Watch our other fun drawing videos and keep creating!